And the question is, what is the difference between ethics and morality? So the term ethics come from a root word, ethos. This is a Greek word and it means character. It has other meanings too, but the main meaning is character. When we talk about morality, morality comes from a word mores, which is a Latin word. Now that mores means custom. So if we get into the etymological understanding of these two words, that means going to the root word, we get to know that ethics is more personal and morality is more societal. Are you surprised with this? Why? Because the internet definition is something contrary, which we'll come to in a minute. So ethics would be more personal if we go etymologically. Why? Because character is personal and mores means custom. The root word which has given the term morality, it is more societal. Why societal? Because custom is followed in a society. So that's how these two terms are different. When we go to internet, the definition of internet suggests completely different understanding, which is, it says that morals or morality is more personal, whereas ethics is more societal. So now the understanding is reversed. Alright. But then how do we get to understand the meaning or the difference between ethics and morality? Or who would decide the difference between ethics and morality? So let's see who would give the meaning of these words. It is basically the philosophers who would be credible source to understand the difference between ethics on one hand and morality on the other hand. And what do philosophers have to say about it? Philosophers have not much to say about it. Why? Because they use these terms interchangeably. Why do they use these terms interchangeably? Because the term ethics and morality both are related to one concept, which we will discuss towards the end, right? But they had bigger questions, they had greater questions to deal with. Who is a philosopher? Who has a love for knowledge, right? So when we talk about these philosophers, what are they trying to do? They are trying to talk about philosophy of life, philosophy of death, theism, philosophy of God, or things like that, right? But so the difference between ethics and morality was not very important, and at the base level the content of ethics and morality also remains the same. So they had not given any specific difference between this. But a point of caution over here, if you are reading a book of a world-class philosopher, then you should keep in mind that different philosophers have used these two terms, ethics and morality, differently. Somebody might have used ethics as more personal, somebody might have used moral as more personal, but that is only the preference. Why do they do that in their books? To increase the readability of their book. But otherwise, no, there is nothing like that there is a difference. You can take an example of Howard and Crover. These people have chosen ethics to be taken as more personal and morality as more societal. But at the same time, they have mentioned it is the preference of other philosophers, how do they use it, right? So this tells us that there is no difference between ethics and morality. Alright, so there is no difference. तो कुछ तो होगा, थोड़ा सा तो होगा difference. अभी यही doubt आ रहा होगा. ठीक है, so let's deal with it. There is a subtle difference, you are not wrong, but let's see what that difference is. When we talk about morality or the science on morality, it becomes ethics. If we talk about philosophy of morality, we are again talking about ethics. So ethics basically is science of morality or philosophy of morality. So this makes ethics more tangible in the sense that you can read it, you can see it in human actions, you can see its application, whereas morality is more abstract. That is the only difference. So ethics becomes more tangible and morality becomes more abstract. But otherwise, it is philosophy of morality that is called ethics. It is science of morality which is called ethics. So now the question is that what is the content of ethics and morality? Now do listen to this very carefully, because this is the point which is going to build the foundation for our edifice that we built later. जो हम लोग आगे चल के स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे वो इसी नींव के ऊपर रखकर बनाने वाले हैं कि क्या कंटेंट है एथिक्स और मोरालिटी का, और हमारी सारी क्लासेस में दिस थिंग इज गोइंग टू प्रूव वाइटल एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लेट्स सी. Is it very difficult to understand the content? If you feel that, I'll just tell you in 2 words. Ethics or morality, when we talk about, it talks about only 2 things, right or wrong. Morality talks about if an action is right or if an action is wrong, if an action is good or if an action is evil, right? When we talk about ethics, the content of ethics is also the same, that if it is right or if it is wrong. So what is in the base? It talks about right or wrong. Ethics talks about if an action is right or wrong. Morality talks about if an action is right and wrong. But the discipline that was developed, that discipline was developed on ethics and not as morality. So that's why philosophy of morality or moral philosophy is called as ethics. So that is what is that is the difference between ethics and morality. All right. So what we have learned, the question that baffled people a lot has a very simple answer, that you don't have to bother about the difference between ethics and morality. You can use it interchangeably. Even UPSC in its syllabus has used it interchangeably. All right. So if you have stayed with us till now, there is a surprise for you. And what is that surprise? What if UPSC asks you that question in civil services examination, that what is the difference between ethics and morality, right? How do we deal with it? First of all, let me tell you, UPSC is not going to ask such a question. Why? So why would it not ask this question? Because there is no difference per se. There is a very little difference that exists. So UPSC is not going to get into this. But what if tomorrow it tries to test you? अगर आपको टेस्ट करने की कोशिश करता है और पूछता है कि ये कैसे हैंडल करेंगे, तो लेट्स सी कि कैसे हैंडल किया जाएगा. If this, the question is again, what is the difference between ethics and morality? If this is the question asked to you, you have to first introduce your answer by telling that there is no difference or there is very little difference, right? That's how you are introducing your answer. After introducing your answer, you can move on to the next thing, quoting about the etymological understanding about these 2 words, ethics and morality, which we had already seen and which we had already discussed. Next, what you can do is you can tell about the internet understanding about the same thing. Further moving down, the internet understanding also we had seen earlier. Next, you can tell about the philosopher's understanding about these 2 terms, ethics and morality. When you venture down further, you can tell the real difference, which is very minute, which is quoting about that morality is more abstract and ethics is more tangible because of the forms that they have taken later, right? After that, after this whole thing, telling this whole answer, you have to bind your answer with the conclusion, and the conclusion has to be in line with your introduction. So how does it be in line with the introduction? You reiterate the same fact. Earlier you have told that there is no difference, that's how you have introduced. Then you have given the substantiation with that. You have told what etymologically it means, what internet wise it means, what philosophers have to say about it. Further, if there is a difference, what that difference is, then you quote, therefore these differences, there is no difference or there are very less differences. That's how you can sum up your whole answer. Alright, at the end of the lecture, I would like to thank you all for the tremendous support that you have given to us. Ethics के ऊपर जब इतनी प्रॉब्लम थी, and when we brought Ethixify to the floor, we started receiving thousands of inquiries from all over the country. हम लोग को रायपुर से लेकर, छत्तीसगढ़ से लेकर, बिहार से लेकर, हमें तिनसुकिया जैसी जगहों से भी फोन आए हैं, हमें राजस्थान में एक एंड से भी फोन आए हैं, चेन्नई से भी फोन आए हैं, बैंगलोर से भी फोन आया है. Be it a bigger city or be it a smaller city, that kind of support we were not expecting. हम लोग सॉल्यूशन लाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, पर नाउ अर्लियर वी वर लैकिंग द रिसोर्सेज. अब हमारे पास वो रिसोर्सेज हैं कि हम आप लोगों के लिए एक पेन ड्राइव कोर्स ला रहे हैं जो कि आपके टाइम, आपकी कन्वीनियंस और आपके हिसाब से आपके समय पर चलेगा. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज, प्री बुकिंग कब से होंगी? आज से, अभी से. And where do you call for that? You call on this number for that. If you have to reach to us, you can call us not only for the pre-booking, but you can ask any doubts related to civil services preparation. IAS बनना है, IPS बनना है, call this number, see if it works for you. Pre-booking में there are plenty of surprises that are waiting for you. Another thing that I would like to add at the end is, you are watching this video. That means you have it in you. You are watching this video, that shows that you are ready to work for it. Do not leave it. You have equal chance of becoming an IAS and or IPS. Do not leave that. Work diligently, work persistently, and move ahead. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on civil services preparation and for ethics for civil services. Also, do not forget to like this video if you liked it. Share the video as much as you can, and do not forget to press the bell icon.